Alright, so we have had a lot of snow this morning, and I'm gonna show you guys what does snow look like in US. Okay, so just check this out. This is my garage here, and let's see. Wow, look at that. That's my car. Oh my god, look at all the snow here. Look at all the snow. Oh my god. So time to clean this up. My entire garage is full of snow and it started sleeting. Look at that. Look at this all over. Let's get to work, guys. I got my shovel here. Here's my shovel. Where is this? This is my new shovel. Oh, no, that's not my shovel. Let me show my shovel. There are 3 or 4 shovels here. Okay, let's use this one. Alright. So, good amount of work to be done here. So, let me get back to work and then come in. Let's go. Come, Krishna, come here. Are you?
Yes.
Are you good, Krishna? Come here. You like it? Come.
I love.
You love the snow? Come. You wanna come?
I
Huh?
love down. Wait.
You wanna come?
I fell.
Okay.
It's easy
Come.
to walk with my boots.
Is it?
Yeah.
You like it so much?
No boots. That's the thing. I have rain boots.
ठीक है, it's okay. Come. अरे ठीक है, come.
It's snowing, Mama.
Be careful, Fiona. You might slip, okay? Come. Oh my goodness, there is so much snow everywhere. Can we do the sled? Huh?
There's too much snow.
Right, can we do the sled, Fiona?
Yeah.
What do you
right
think?
Here.
Huh?
The sled is not getting dug in.
It's not?
Yeah, it's not.
Oh my god. Okay. I think I can see some kids over there. Oh wow, look at that. Ah. You drive?
No, I don't want to be driving.
No?
It's dangerous.
But you want to sled? Sledding is not dangerous?
No, it's not dangerous.
Okay.
Whoa, I don't.
Come on, Krishna baby.
Rowan.
You guys are not feeling any cold?
No,
Huh?
so hard.
You guys are so strong. Huh? Keep walking, keep walking.
I'm around the road.
It would have been fun if Mama was also there. And after going home, oh, Krishna fell down. Yay! Come on, get up. Let's go to the sled. We will after coming back home, Krishna.
Okay, my feet are hurting.
Now it's the sled time. Yes. Come on, Fiona. Walk slowly. We are almost there. It's not snowing anymore. It's actually, there is a sleet. It's kind of ice here. So we need to be careful. We need to come early and go back early. Come on, Krishna. Let's go. Come on, baby. Krishna, come first. We'll take one round and go. Come on. Okay, I'm going. Krishna, keep walking. Okay, Fiona. Oh wow, look at that. That's so cool, right? Huh? Come on. Let's go. You want to do it with me? Or you guys want to do it together? Huh? Let's do it.
I can do it alone.
You want to do it alone? No, do it with me. Come on.
I want to do
Fiona, just do it with me, okay? Come on. 3 of us will do it together, okay? One time and then you can do it yourself. Are you going? Are we going?
Yeah.
Are we going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 and woo! Yay! Not bad.
Oh my god.
That was our small sled.
This big.
Did you like it, Krishna?
Yeah.
Huh?
I was just closing my eyes so the snow cannot get in my eyes.
Really?
Yeah.
But did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed it. We went down. It was the craziest thing.
It's the craziest thing when you're down?
It just stopped in the middle.
Okay. Come this side. Oh. Alright, Vienna. Now, who wants to go? Gonna go alone? Okay. But wait for the kids, okay? Come this side. So Fiona here wants to do all by her. It will not happen. What do you mean? You got? Yeah, we'll make the snow angel and the snowman when we go back home. I have no idea. Okay, Fiona, let me go with him now. Okay? Okay. Krishna, come here. Come. Sit with me. Come this side. Sit. Make your legs straight, okay? Put them straight. Fiona, see you in about a minute. Okay, let's go. Okay. 2, 3. Yes. You will push? Alright, Krishna, can you push us, please? Oh, Krishna is pushing us. Oh my god, thank you. That was so cool. Alright, Fiona, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Thank you for pushing. Yeah, I'll take you guys in the sled, okay? No, here, I'll take you guys home. Okay, so you don't have to walk. You can just sit on the sled and I'll pull you. Come on, Fiona. You sit in the front, Krishna.
Wait, you don't pull.
No, I'm not pulling you, sit. Legs up, legs up. Can I do it? Oh, I cannot do it, Fiona. This is so... No, come on. I cannot pull you guys. This is uphill. Okay, let's keep walking. Come on.
It's just me.
Fiona, get up, Fiona. I cannot take you. I cannot take... I know. Krishna, you sit. Let me see if I can pull you. You are...
Hey, that's not fair.
Fiona. I don't... Fiona. He's not feeling good.
I also not feeling
Shit.
good at all.
I know. I cannot pull you both. Put your legs up.
How about no one gets put?
I know.
I'm going to win.
Fiona, he is very... Okay, I cannot pull him as well. Come on, get up. Go with Didi. Fiona, I'm not taking him too. Don't run so much. Go next to Didi. These kids. Fiona, can you wait?
Ouchie.
Ouchie. Now you're feeling ouchie? I was saying let's go home fast.
Yeah, it is ouchie.
It's ouchie? Yes. Because it is so... Hold hand how na kon chalo. Okay, Vienna, you pull this. I'll hold this hand. Go, come, give me your hand. Side থেকে চলবি ওখানে ফিসলে পড়বি. Hold my hand. Okay, let's go. Oh, I know. You did awesome. Huh? You did so good. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Come on. Yes. Almost there. You can see our house now. See, Didi is going so nice. Okay, keep trying. I'm going. Let's go.
Oh. Keep walking. If you cry more, it will be more painful. Come here. Keep walking. Oh. Okay, come on. Our home is there. Okay, come. Hold my hand. Come fast. I'm going. If you okay, bye. Come fast. Come fast. Viola. He likes to cry. Come on. Keep walking.